Hello, everyone. This week is full of surprises and big updates in the open source world. Let's begin with something unexpected. PewDiePie, one of the most famous YouTubers in the world with over 100 million subscribers, has officially switched to Linux. In his video titled, "I installed Linux, so should you," he shares his experience installing the system, trying out alternatives to his usual workflow, and encouraging others to give it a shot too. This kind of exposure is huge for Linux, and it could bring thousands of curious new users to the ecosystem. Now moving on to Firefox 138, which finally introduces the long-awaited feature of native profile management. Users can now create and switch between completely isolated profiles, each with its own history, passwords, cookies, and even its own visual theme and avatar. It's a great solution for keeping work, personal browsing, or testing environments fully separate. Other improvements include accessibility contrast controls, better tab link copying for Linux and Mac OS, and experimental AI-generated link previews through Firefox Labs. Kdenlive 25.04 has just landed with one of its biggest updates in recent years. The timeline has been completely redesigned for better fluidity and responsiveness. There's now native support for nested timelines, improved subtitle handling, and new visual effects. Audio waveform display has also been enhanced, and the render dialog now offers smarter presets. It's a massive leap forward for open-source video editing. Trinity Desktop environment R14.1.4 has been released with dozens of bug fixes and refinements. While still focused on maintaining a KDE 3.5 era experience, the project continues to provide a stable, lightweight desktop for those who prefer classic interfaces. On the Fedora front, an important change has been confirmed. Starting with Fedora 41, the GNOME desktop will be Wayland-only. This means the legacy X11 session will be removed from Workstation by default, reinforcing Fedora's push toward a more modern, secure, and efficient display stack. Debian has reached the end of its project leader elections. After weeks of campaigning and voting, Andreas Tilla has been elected as the new DPL, a respected developer known for his long-standing involvement in Debian Med and other community initiatives. The Mutter compositor, which powers GNOME Shell, has merged a long-awaited feature, top-level tagging. This technical change improves how windows are managed and classified internally, paving the way for more consistent behavior and future improvements to Wayland session management. Arch Linux has officially arrived on Windows through the Windows Subsystem for Linux. Users can now install and run Arch directly from the Microsoft Store, making it easier than ever to experiment with the famous rolling release distribution inside a Windows environment. Thank you for watching.